What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Curtis, and today we're out here in my new local area out here in Maricopa. We got Dirt Remedy Off-Road. He's going to show me kind of the ropes. He's a local out here, and now I am too. So he's going to show me some cool trails out here. We're going to get into some fun today. Let's air down the tires with the new Last Fit 4-way air down kit, and we're going to have a fun time out here in the trail. It's going to be a fun time. The ass right now. Yep. Alright, guys, we made it up the hill. That first little section is a little sketchy. I don't know why. I wasn't getting very much good grip, but we got it. And it's starting to get hot in Arizona over here. Ooh, check this out. God damn, look at that booty shot. Oh my god, it's so hard. My legs are burning. Look at that booty shot, baby. Yeah. Alright, guys, we found another little fun little rock crawl section area right here. I think it really doesn't go anywhere. Right underneath the power line. I'm gonna get leukemia. We got a nice little cool section here, but I feel like I might hit that power line. So I don't know if I should try this rock wall right here, because definitely gonna hit that if I go any further right. Okay, we got some stuff right here. Okay, it's pretty cool, pretty cool. And then it loops around back down this way. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. This is all of Maricopa too. Literally, I see all of Maricopa from this little vantage point, which is pretty cool. Not gonna lie, you know. I love exploring new areas, especially if these are the areas that I'm gonna be wheeling with from now on, my local, instead of driving all the way to town. But check it out, holy smokes. This is the whole view of Maricopa, looks like. It's pretty freaking sweet. Very nice. A lot of desert, but pretty much just goes to here, nothing else. So let's see what we can do over here. Let's check it out. Now that I'm thinking about it, I think I'd take the hard line right there. Let's get it. see that shit? I had to thread the needle on that fucking power line.
Filming this video, I realize I've gotten really fat by drinking way too many beers, so if you like me sprinting up these trails, let me know.
That was a nice little boulder field right there. So far, I'm liking all these trails out here. I'm not a big fan of the boulder fields like that, but it's pretty fun. I'm excited there's something out here like that. Sandworm, come out. Found some trails for us. I'm pretty close to Tucson, so come out, dude. I'm scouting for our next adventure. But yeah, we're gonna keep on going. Kind of check out what else we got up here so far. So far, I'm pretty stoked on what we got out here in Maricopa for some off-road trails, and I'm excited to explore a little bit more too. So let's keep on going. So that little spot was pretty cool, but I'm gonna have to say we're gonna leave that one when we got the boys around. You know, just spotting and whatnot. You don't want to land up on your diff out here by yourself, because that one's kind of just like a boulder field, really. So yeah, we're gonna keep on going, but I need to make it home pretty soon here. So let's see what other stuff we can get into today before I gotta go home and go buy some furniture for the new house. So that's awesome. I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. All right, everybody, we have the last fit air compressor we're gonna use again, and they sent me out their 4-way air hose, which is pretty freaking awesome. So I don't need this one anymore. So we're gonna be using the 4-way air compressor, or 4-way thingamajiggy, you know what I mean? So we have that. Let's get it all out here, plug her up, and start airing up the tires. Let's do it.
Well, everybody,
I forgot to make an outro out on the trail. We are hurrying up, trying to get some furniture. Yeah, the 4x air hose from Last Fit's really nice, really convenient to kind of plug all four in and air up the tires. So I'm super excited. Use Downtime Loss, use the coupon code, you get 10% off, I believe, for the air down hose, which every off-road dude kind of needs one in their arsenal. But check it out, look behind me. I've got the smart cap back on the rig, and yeah, we need to put some weight in the rear. So we threw the smart cap back up in the truck and kind of check out what happened. Well, me and the wife lifted it up on top of the truck, and we kind of roasted the paint. But thankfully I know how to paint match. But yeah, smart cap's back up. We have. Let me get this open real quick for you guys. We have the glass now. We have the glass with the window and everything, so now it doesn't hit the third brake light. So now we have a cutout, so we're not going to be rattling on that. So I'm super excited to hit the trails and see if it rattles. So we'll see how it is. I do like that. I actually have my camera now, my Wolfbox camera up there, mounted up, so now I can see everything, so that's cool. Yeah, that's about it for this week's video. I'm pretty sad that I didn't get to make it to the GM special. Check them out on Instagram. GM special, it's a bunch of GM trucks that go hit a trail out in California. I'm really sad that I couldn't make it this year, but we got a new house, so, you know, priorities, I guess, right? So we got to get everything dialed in, but the garage is coming together. We need to buy something pretty soon for like a tool bench and everything. I'm gonna end up modifying this pretty soon. Now that I have a house, I can kind of cut it in half, make it into a drawer. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, it's been pretty nice out in the new house, I'd have to say. But yeah, make sure to tune in for next week's video. I'm not really sure what we're gonna do, but it's gonna be some fun. So appreciate you guys so much. Love you. Bye.